How to add or remove deep sleeping apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here, so click on device care. Now here you will see first option is battery, so click on battery. So after click on battery, click on background usage limits. So after click on background use limits, so click on deep sleeping apps. So after click on deep sleeping apps, so if you want to add sleeping apps, so click on this plus icon. So after click on this plus icon, you will see you will add apps from here. So after add apps, click on add. So after click on add, you will see apps is add on deep sleeping apps. So if you want to remove deep sleeping apps, so click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on remove. So after click on remove, so you will select remove app from here. So after remove app, click on remove. So you will see deep sleeping apps is removed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phones. That's how you can add or remove deep sleeping apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.